Welcome to Velocity, our student entrepreneurship program.
Hey Gemma, I'm just going to pause you there. By now you surely heard about Velocity and about all the workshops, events and challenges that we run. But what you may not have known is that we, being a student entrepreneurship program, means so much more. Behind the scenes since 2003, students have been in charge of running, conducting and working together to provide the best university entrepreneurship program that the University of Auckland can provide. Thanks to the Centre for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, we can do this by being a student and having fun.
Just before Jay mentioned about dad jokes, so I thought I'd give a quick Google. And I wanted to start with one, which I thought was really funny. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Okay, so we'll get started with the workshop now.
Constantly learning and exploring new places and experiences. And bringing the energy to the party, I mean program. If you ever wanted to try out what it takes to be an entrepreneur or to start up your own business, Velocity is your go-to at the University of Auckland. Thanks Gemma, you can now finish it off.
Welcome to Velocity, our student entrepreneurship program. Taking part in Velocity can really open up your career opportunities because employers are looking to hire people with the entrepreneurial mindset. We offer free workshops, inspiring seminars, mentoring and more. Velocity can take you to some really unexpected places.